Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, I hope you all are doing well and you have already watched the videos related to trigonometric identities. Now in this session we are going to discuss problem number 6, the very important questions related to trigonometry. Let's begin with this problem solution. As you can see here, the problem is prove that cos square a by cos a minus sin a plus sin a by 1 minus cot a is equals to sin a plus cos a. As I have already said you one thing, I hope you remember that point. मैंने आपको पहले जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हमने सॉल्व किए हैं उसमें मैं आपको लगातार एक चीज का मैं वर्ड इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं. I hope you might have noticed that word. What is that? If you get sin A or cos A, don't do anything for that. If you get any other term, try to change that in the form of sin or cos. Now, let me take the LHS. Here we have the LHS, that is cos square A by cos A minus sin A. Done? Plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. Done. Is this clear? Now we have to prove this is equals to sin A plus cos A. Very simple. Now next step. See children, cos square A. Do you want to do anything for cos? No. Not at present. Let me keep it as it is. Later we see if any changes are required, we will do it for that. As I said, sin A cos A we should not do anything. But I didn't say it for cos square A. Understood? Later we see what we have to do for this. Understood? Divided by cos A, definitely we should not do anything. Keep it as it is. Minus sin A, keep it as it is. Plus sin A by 1 minus cot. Now cot can be written as cos by sin. That is cos A by sin A. Now as we can see, this is complete is denominator. Whenever you get fraction, try to maintain the bracket so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now, cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A by, now as we can see, this is the fraction, right? This complete term is fraction. So, what is the denominator? As we can see here, denominator is sin A. We have to take the LCM first. So the LCM here is sin A. Sin A and 1, LCM is sin A. Sin A into 1, that is sin A minus cos A. Okay? So we have maintained the bracket here. Please make sure that you are not going to do any mistake over here. Now, come to the point. Cos square A by cos A minus sin A, done, plus, now as we can see, sin A is numerator and this complete term is denominator. In denominator, what is this? Numerator. What is this? Denominator. If this denominator goes up, then what it happens? It becomes a numerator. Understood? Denominator to the denominator will become numerator. It means that this sin A as it is and this sin A, if it goes up, it becomes into sin A divided by sin A minus cos A. Understood? Denominator to the denominator will become numerator. Done? Now what is left out is equals to cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A into sin A, sin square A by sin A minus cos A. Children, one thing, please, after this, one step is going to come. This you have to be very careful with this step. This is very important step. Remember, this step is very important. Now, see the denominator. What is the denominator we have? हमारे पास ये denominator क्या है? Cos A minus sin A. And here we have sin A minus cos A. It means opposite sign. Here plus cos minus sin, but here plus sin minus cos. Now I want to bring both the denominators as same. I want to bring, can you see the first denominator is cos A minus sin A, and even here also I want to bring this sin A minus cos A as cos A minus sin A. So here we are going to do one small change, and you should know what is that. Cos square A by cos A minus sin A. Now here what I will do, in sin A minus cos A, I am going to take minus as common factor. So this plus will become minus. Got it? Sin square A by, now this minus cos A will become plus cos A. Plus sin A will become minus sin A. Any doubts? So this is the very important step you should not forget. Now as you can see, the plus is going to become minus. If this becomes minus, then what happens? Minus cos will become plus cos, plus sin will become minus sin. Now that is equals to, now what is the LCM? As we can see, both the denominators are same, cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A. So the denominator will become same, that is cos A minus sin A. The algebraic term remains same. If denominators are same, then we can add the numerators, that is nothing but cos square A minus sin square A. Got it? Cos square A minus sin square A. Now children, we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. But here it is completely opposite. Understood? Let it be cos square A plus sin square A is 1. But here we have minus, so we cannot write 1. But it is in the form of A square minus B square. It is in the form of A square minus B square. So we can apply the identity, that is A plus B into A minus B. So here cos A plus sin A, okay, A plus B into A minus B, cos A minus sin A whole divided by cos A minus sin A. Now as we can see here, this cos A minus sin A, this cos A minus sin A will get cancelled. So what is left out? Sin A plus cos A, or cos A plus sin A, that is equals to RHS. Now we can say that therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And if you have liked this session and the classes, click the like button, comment and share. And very important note, the admissions are open for the offline classes in our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center. We do have branch in Bangalore. In the below description, we have given the contact details. You can contact to us for the further information. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.